Real customer transformations. Layla's hair recovery. Layla is 34, struggled with brittle, lifeless hair. After 6 weeks with Avora Nature, her hair became stronger, shinier, and healthier. Karen's baby story. Karen's daughter had a chronic dry patches within 2 weeks of using the baby and family line. Her skin was restored, soft, smooth, and free from redness. Social media highlights. Customers worldwide share their experiences. Tag your journey with Avora with hashtag Avora Nature for a change to be featured. So tag your journey, use hashtag Avora Nature, and you will get a chance to be featured.